Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today this video I will teach you how you can change UAE pass mobile number and email address. Basically you get some issue in your mobile number, you lost your mobile number, you lost your old email and you need to change in UAE pass your new email and mobile number. You need to add that one in your UAE pass account. So I will teach you how you can do it step by step from this video. So you need to watch this video till last. I will teach you step by step and you just follow me and do same. Your mobile number and email will be changed. Before start this video, if you are new in my channel, my name is Rauf and you are watching Rauf Kashmiri Official. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You get more videos about that topics. And if you want to talk to me, in description I will give you my Instagram link. You can follow me there and message me and tell me your problem. I will solve your problem and tell you that problem solution. So let's start this video. Basically, if UAE pass change UAE pass mobile number, have two options. One, physically you can visit any Kisco machine and put your MRS there, and you can change from your mobile number is there. You need to biometric your thumb and you can change your mobile number and email from there. And second option is you can change from your UAE pass mobile application if your mobile application is login. If a mobile application is not login, you lost your mobile number and you lost your email and your mobile application is also not working, so you must need to visit Kisco machine. Okay, but this video I will teach you how you can change from mobile application. Here I will open my mobile screen. I will show you how you can do this from mobile UAE pass mobile application. If your mobile application is login, just need to come like this page. Okay, then you need to click here profile and then you come this page. Here first option is your name and here is showing show profile. Then you need to click this one. After that you come this page, your personal details. Okay, here all your details is coming here. Your name, MRS number, mobile number, email, date of birth, nationality, gender and MRS number. But first we need to change mobile number and email. See here your mobile number is showing here, old mobile number is showing here. You need to click here edit option and then they will ask you enter UAE pass pin. You need to enter here UAE pass pin. And after that you come this page. Here you need to write your new mobile number and click here update number. Then they send you one time password is your new mobile number and you enter that number, password is here and your number will be changed. And if you want to change your email, you come this personal detail option, then you click here email and here click here edit option. Then you need to click this one edit option. After that same they ask you enter UAE pass pin. You need to enter here UAE pass pin and then after that you come this page. Here you need to write your new email address here and click here update email. Then after that they send you one time password is in your new email. Then you need to enter here one time password and your email will be also changed. Like that you can change email and mobile number from your UAE pass application. If you want to change your mobile number and email from Kisco machine, you must to comment in my video. If I get more comments, so I do that process also, and in video I will show you how you can change from Kisco machine. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We need to complete 1000 subscribers in this channel and give you more updates in UAE. So must be you subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.